We're Danny in the Parts. And you have to guess who's Danny.
Who's the Parts?
I revealed it already.
Brennan revealed it. That means he's Danny. This is Brennan. I'm Danny. Jackie. Eric. For Danny in the Parts.
Do you guys know the Muppets well?
Yes.
Yes.
I do.
I don't.
I haven't met one, although it's definitely on the
I'm
bucket
on the
list.
heavy side. I'm gonna give Brennan Kermit right away. I'd like to take Fozzie if I may, if he's
I can
available.
see
Pretty
Fozzie,
great.
yeah.
Thank you.
I'll take her.
Gonzo.
Yeah, Gonzo,
You're
the
obviously
weirdo.
Gonzo. Yeah.
And I'm into chickens.
Yeah.
You're a Papa,
I'm
Camilla. There it is. The same.
It's a very strict
sometimes.
process.
Danny writes the songs, he shows us the songs, and he's like, play the songs!
Say shut up
then
and
we
play. No. I write the songs, but I usually write on a little guitar. I have a lot of little toys and guitars around my house. I got some kids, so I love to just kind of catch moments during the day. I'm humming something, or you just get a special moment where you sit down with a guitar by the window or something, and it just kind of comes, I just jot it down like that, catch it, and I kind of just work on it up to a point where then I introduce it to them, and then we kind of fine-tune it to make it like something we can play live, And then when we play live, it kind of grows too. We let it kind of evolve on stage a lot too. To us, to me, that means we play American music, made here in America. I think it just means taking from influences that I grew up with, we grew up with, blending. I write songs, but in the studio we really like put stuff together.
He means Wilco.
Yeah. Pretty much, yeah. Wilco, whatever.
Never said those things that want you to say. Never said those things, needed it that way. Now that we're alone, got a feeling you want me back home. Now that we're alone, I got a feeling you want me back. You never did your best and I never did mine. You never said your prayers and sinning all the time. Now that we're alone, I got a feeling that you want me back home. Now that we're alone, I got a feeling that you want me back home. Now that we're alone, got a feeling that you want me back home. Now that we're alone, I got a feeling you want me back. You never did your best and never did mine. You never said your prayers